Rakhigarhi in Haryana is the biggest site of Indus Valley civilization in India after Dholavira. Mohenjo-daro is the biggest site in the entire Indus Valley civilization, but Mohenjo-daro comes in the present day Pakistan. Rakhigarhi is very important because it is a recently excavated site in Indus Valley civilization. Question number 2. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect because Indus pottery is found at Burzahom, Burzahom, on account of internal trade between IVC, that is Indus Valley civilization, and Neolithic sites. Burzahom is a Neolithic site. Question number 3. The term proto means transition. Shankaliya has given the term proto-historic age to Indus Valley civilization on the basis of script, because the script of Indus Valley civilization is not yet deciphered on account of its pictographic nature. Here, script is neither completely absent nor in written form. Question number 4. Quartzite is metamorphic rock. Quartzite is a metamorphic rock primarily composed of quartz. As stone tools are predominantly used in this age, quartzite is the viable option. Question number 5. The Neolithic age witnessed the advent of the pottery in the rudiment form, but colored pottery came into limelight during Chalcolithic age called ochre, OCHRE, ochre colored pottery. This is question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 6. The statements are reversed. Question number 7. Historians like Rafiq Mughal gave Baluchi origin to Indus Valley civilization and identified the cultural similarities between Baluchi and Indus Valley civilization. Job culture, pottery. Nal culture, worship of mother goddess. Kuli culture, burial practices. Quetta culture, phallus worship. Question number 8. The bronze dancing girl was found at Mohenjo-daro. It is naked with a single ornament. It is in Tribanga portraiture and is made with last wax technique. Second statement is correct. Evidences show that he might probably be a priest. Question number 9. Both the statements are correct. Question number 10. Harappa Ravi, Mohenjo-daro Indus, Chanhu-daro Indus, Lothal Bogavo, Kalibangan Gaggar, Rakhigarhi Gaggar. This is the match the following of the reverse. Question number 10. Question number 11. Bogazkoy inscription, Bogazkoy. Bogazkoy inscription is a Turkish inscription which records a peace negotiating treaty between Hittite and Mitanni tribes. The four gods are mentioned as a witness to the treaty. The four gods are mentioned as a witness to the treaty. Question number 12. Gayatri Mantra is dedicated to goddess Savita or Savitri. Savitri is a female deity. Savitri is a female deity denoting sunrise. Question number 13. Upavedas belong to Smriti literature. Upavedas belong to Smriti literature and Vedas belong to Shruti literature. Every Veda has a Upaveda attached to it. Rigveda, Upaveda is Ayurveda. Samaveda, Upaveda is Gandharva Veda. Yajurveda, Upaveda is Dhanurveda. Dhanurveda means archery and warfare. Atharvana Veda, the Upaveda was Silpa Veda or Staptya Veda. STHAPTY, Stapti Veda. Question number 14. The word Naditarana is mentioned in Rigveda denotes river Saraswati. The word Naditarana, which is mentioned in Rigveda, denotes river Saraswati. Question number 15. The king has no absolute powers in Rigvedic polity. The king has no absolute powers in Rigvedic polity. He is controlled by assemblies like Sabha, Samiti, Gana and Vidata. It is said that king used to perform prayers to win the support of these assemblies. Women participated in Sabha and Vidata. Women participated in Sabha and Vidata. Question number 16. Statement 1 is wrong. Iron came into existence in later Vedic age. Indus Valley people used only bronze. They don't know iron. They used only bronze as alloy of copper and tin. Question number 17. The people of Indus Valley civilization practiced agriculture. The people of Indus Valley civilization practiced agriculture. They cultivated wheat, barley, rice, sesamum, mustard, etc. Ploughed furrows are found at Kalibangan. Ploughed furrows are found at Kalibangan. But till now, in human life, Brahmacharya, Gruhastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa. Question number 19. The later Vedic society was basically a caste-ridden society. The later Vedic society was basically a caste-ridden society or Varna-based society. But the statement 2 is incorrect because Sati is directly practiced in later Vedic period. Sati is directly practiced in later Vedic period. Question number 20. Early Vedic Aryans worshipped nature. Early Vedic Aryans worshipped nature and performed yagnas, rituals for praja, children and pashu cattle and for other material comforts. These are the questions today. Thank you very much.